friends, welcome to Soupsy's Crafts. Today we're going to show you how to make these cute candies. What you'll need is a slotted tool, paper strips, and glue, and a circle sizer. So let's get rolling. So for the middle part, which is this big circle, you will need
one full strip.
So now, remember to put in your slots, and I'll be quiet.
And roll lightly until you get to the end.
After you're done, you can just let it go on your surface, or you can put it in a circle sizer. On our circle sizer, we put it on size 2. Let it loosen up. So now for the other one, you need to have one strip. So these are for the sides. You're going to fold it in half so that you make 2. And you can rip it or just cut it with scissors. But remember not to destroy the strip. And we're going to do the same thing again. This is not getting into this much. Okay, it's not in sync that much. So for the half strips, you can put, according to our circle sizer, we put it in size 5. But all you need to do is just make it smaller than your middle. So now let's take out our circle. Let me put it in the bigger size so we can glue it. And it's okay if the middle kind of comes up. That happens sometimes. So remember, you should have a circle. We should have a circle. So put glue on this. Just a little bit, and hold it for a few seconds. Now we're done with that. Now let's get out our small ones. We're going to glue it, but we're going to do something else. We're going to put a little bit of glue, not too much. 1, 2. Get out our other one and do the same thing. Let it dry for a few seconds. Now we have both an hour. Circles. So now what you need to do is, you know how you'll get like a curved shape over here? So to make that,
you need to pick and press it like this and bend it and fold it. Yeah. Do the same thing for the other.
it's fine if they got one got a little too big, because those two candies are the same. So now it's time for the assembly. It's better to get a hard surface if your surface is soft. So what you do is take your curved shapes, you put glue on the side of it. Not on the side, like the middle bottom. So that you should put glue like on this side. Glue it onto one side. So now you do the same thing on the other one. Glue it on the other side. So this is how it should look like when it's all. So this is how it'll look like when it's all done. Make sure to let it dry, and then you can make cupcake toppers, bookmark, or you can glue them as a greeting card, or you can make magnets. That'll be a better way. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Bye!